virtual data room made in Germany. Trusted is good security. Security is better. Indeed, virtual data rooms provide top is lines security for cross-company project that involves highly sequenced data. As a Germany data room provide packet by tubes out, you can trust that your company is always security with the highlights of product with ID card. You can ID card. ID card can definitely collaboration on project with sensitive data. Now that your information is secure or safe way, how can build your Intis data room? Okay. ID card is fully complete platform that meets the highest security stand with it's creating edits that data rooms with a slate gold technology. Your company that is complete etiquette and security transmission is strict and process marketing unlimited access technology impossible. The level of your production is especially quickly for process that involve high-res data that must be kept under strict mm, trust in ID guard to provide top is line security for your company must be bullet is data room a safe place for your data. Okay. Auto full control will documents thanks to the general fathers everything the happiness and the data room is recorded in the audit form manner as inviolate permission the members and control access the data room by members list. Servers in Germany. Server in Germany. IDs open service located in Germany. Only your data will remaining under Germany data protector law.